Hello. Today we will discuss about quicksort, and we have input size must be at least 10 and unsorted. Okay. Quicksort. We have to choose a pivot. Select a pivot element from the array. This element will be used to divide the array into two groups during each iteration. For simplicity, we have to choose the last element as a pivot, and partitioning rearrange the array in such a way that all elements less than pivot are placed before it, and all elements greater than the pivot are placed after it. After this step, the pivot element is in its final sorted position. This is often called the partitioning step. Recursively apply the above steps to the sub-arrays on the left and right of the pivot until the entire array is sorted. This means performing the partitioning step on each sub-array. And fourth step is base case. The base case for the recursion is when a sub-array has less than two elements. As such, arrays are already considered sorted. Okay, it was about how we should work and write the code of quicksort. And okay, in our example, we have this kind of input size. There is 10 inputs. Okay, we have to choose a pivot, and partition the array. After partitioning the pivot element, our pivot is 6. And after partitioning the pivot element, 6 is in its final sorted position, with elements less than 6 on its left and elements greater than 6 on its right. Recursively apply quicksort to the left and right subarrays. Left subarray is 3, 1, 5, 6, 4, and 6. Our pivot is 4. And after partitioning is 3, 1, 4, 5, and 6. Right subarray is 10, 2, 8, 7, 0. After partitioning, 0, 2, 8, 7, and 10. Our pivot here is 0. And we continue this process until all subarrays are sorted. Okay, we have a class. Class definition defines a class name. There is our time compile, but it's quicksort. And main method, the entry point of the program. It creates an array R and calls the quicksort method, and that's quicksort method. Recursive method that implements the quicksort algorithm integer partition calls the partition method to partition the array and get the index of the pivot element. Recursively calls quicksort for the last subarray, and that okay. Then next, recursively calls quicksort for the right subarray elements greater than the pivot. Partition method. Public static integer partition. Okay, public static integer partition. Partition is an array based on a pivot element. Integer pivot equal to array. High. Select the pivot element as the last element of the array and initialize the index of the smaller element. Partitioning loop. Then swap pivot with element at I plus 1. Then we have to print the sorted array. That's all our code. This is our answer. This is sorted array, quicksort. The code defines a quicksort class with main methods that sorts an array of integers using the quicksort algorithm. The quicksort method is a recursive function that sorts the subarrays, and the partition method partitions the array based on a pivot element. Okay, thank you for attention. Goodbye.